Hi! In front of me is Nokia 225 4G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, you need to go into device settings. Now select connectivity and click on Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth over here if it's not already on and select phone visibility. Over here you need to select temporarily visible or always visible. When you're done, go into devices found. And now you can click on one of those devices to connect to them. In my case, it's Redmi only, so I have to click on it and choose pair. Now you need to wait for this device to accept your connection request and click OK on your device. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. When you're done, select OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!